welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And if you've never been here before, I'd like to extend a big welcome to you. And if you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad that you've returned. And in today's video, I'm really excited because I got in an order from Peachy Queen. I went on their website and they were having a mystery box sale. And so I picked one up. And it did take a little while to get here. I placed this order in December. So it finally got here. This cost me $54.95 for the box and $3.99 shipping. So a total of $58.94. So let's get in here, see what I got, and see if we think that it was worth the money. So if you want to see what's in this mystery box from Peachy Queen, just keep on watching. We're getting into it right now. Okay, guys, like I said, I did place this order, let's see, I want to think it was back in December. I do have an email confirming the order way back in January. I don't think that was the very first email correspondence with Peachy Queen. So if you're going to order from Peachy Queen, it takes a while to get your stuff. Just know that. Just buyer beware. It did come in this box and it looks like that. So let's get in and see what we got. So the very first thing that I'm seeing is a moon dust highlighter. Looks like this. The packaging, it looks like this. It's called Universe. And the packaging is pretty nice because it's like magnetic closure. And so the product looks like this. Very, very shiny. Don't know that I would wear that as a highlighter on my cheeks, to be honest. Maybe as an inner corner highlighter, I could do that. But, you know, just wearing that, you know, as a regular cheek highlighter, I don't think so. Yeah, I just don't think, you know, that's just a little, probably a little bit too much for even me, you know. And your girl likes highlight. Your girl likes highlight. But as an inner corner highlight, if I sprayed it, I could probably do that. As I'm spraying Cricket over here, she's probably not, she's probably saying, Mom, please. Yeah, I could probably do that as an inner corner highlight. It would probably be pretty good for that. Then we got a skincare product, and this has polyglutamic acid in it, and I love things with polyglutamic acid. So, and it's not very far down on the ingredients list, so it's a really good high level, you know, on the ingredient deck. So it's got polyglutamic acid, retinol, aloe leaf, sodium hyaluronate. So I'm really excited to try this. It's called Peachy Skin Smooth It Out. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this product. So I will report back and let you know how this works. Then we got the Tiffany's by Peachy Queen palette. And guys, this is so pretty. There's the actual palette. And this is what the palette looks like. So I just thought that this palette was absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to swatch. I just thought this palette was so pretty. So there's the first 5 colors. It's just really, really pretty color story, I think. And then we have that one didn't do so good. There we go. A little bit more of that. And then there we have the rest of it. So there's that palette. I really like the color story though of that palette, and that's the Tiffany's palette. We got a wing cut matte liquid eyeliner in here, very pigmented. And then we got another palette called, this is the cutest. It's called Thank You for Being a Friend, the Golden Girls palette. And I just think this is such a cute palette as well. It's a fun pastel palette. So let me give you some swatches of it. And this is just named so much fun. It's named like Squad Goals, Sun Puppy, Shady Pines. And then there's that palette. So it doesn't look like it has a ton of pigmentation as far as just, you know, one swipe. But that don't always mean that you're not going to have enough pigmentation once you start using it. That's the way it's swiping right there. And that's what it's looking like. So I'm anxious to try that and see how it's looking. So what do you think? Was it worth $58? Got 2 palettes. The Thank You for Being a Friend palette, the Tiffany's palette, a bottle of what I think is going to be some nice skincare with polyglutamic acid. Remember, polyglutamic acid is 1,000 times more effective than sodium hyaluronate. So we got that. We got a highlighter, the Moon Dust highlighter, and a wing eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So yeah, what do you think? Leave it down in the comments. I do like both of the palettes, depending upon their performance, but I do think that the color story is very, very nice. I do think it was kind of a little bit of an expensive mystery box, actually. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. I won't really be able to tell you until I actually play with the product. So it will depend upon how these palettes perform. But I do think that the Tiffany's palette just is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. However, I'm not sure because I think that maybe the price was a little bit high is the way I'm feeling, because I'm not quite sure how I feel about, you know, Peachy Queen being that high of a price, although it is more along the lines of an indie brand. So just not quite sure whether I think it was worth that much money or not, seeing what I got. You'll just have to leave it down in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate the view. If you think you're going to like what you see on the channel, go ahead and click the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye till next time.